Hi and welcome to Timelessness. If you're among the people who need internet on the go, crave battery saving on your phone, and want the convenience of multiple device connectivity, then you definitely need to consider getting a mobile Wi-Fi or portable Wi-Fi hotspot. For this video, I've got my hands on the TP-Link M7350, which is one of the best portable Wi-Fi hotspots on the market. It supports 4G LTE speeds of up to 150 megabit per second and boasts an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours. Plus, it comes with a user-friendly app that makes setting up your mobile Wi-Fi a breeze. Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link M7350. In the box, you'll find a USB to micro USB adapter for charging the device, a battery, a SIM card adapter, a quick guide, and of course the mobile Wi-Fi device itself. Now, before we get into the setup, let's quickly go over the steps we need to take. First, we'll need to install the SIM card and battery, and then we'll connect to the internet by setting up our device using the app. To install the SIM card, remove the back cover of the mobile Wi-Fi device. In the box, you'll find two SIM adapters to change the micro or nano SIM into a standard SIM. Since my data SIM card is a nano SIM, I insert it into the adapter and secure it with the provided sticker to prevent it from falling out. Then I insert it into the mobile Wi-Fi device. Next, check the connection pins on both the mobile Wi-Fi device and the battery. Make sure they align correctly and then insert the battery in a way that these two connections meet. Close the back cover securely. Now hold the power button until the device turns on. To set up the mobile Wi-Fi, you'll need to download the TP-Wi-Fi app on your cell phone. You can also find this app by pushing the menu button at the top of the device and selecting App Download. You can scan the QR code provided to download the app. Your device is now powered on but not yet connected to the internet. First, push the menu button on the device and select Device Info. Here you'll find the name of your Wi-Fi network and the password. Now on your cell phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings, find the Wi-Fi name and insert the password to connect. Now let's set up your mobile Wi-Fi using the app you've downloaded. Finally, you'll need to insert the PIN code of your SIM card, and that's it. You are now connected to the internet. And there you have it. Setting up your TP-Link M7350 mobile Wi-Fi hotspot is a straightforward process, and you're ready to stay connected wherever you go.